Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can find the missing camera on the iPhone 13 series. Now first let's go back to your home screen by swiping up, and on the home screen you may need to swipe across to the left hand side or to the right hand side to look for the camera app. Sometimes it is not on your current home screen page, it might be on the next home screen page. So simply just swipe across and look for the camera app home screen page by home screen page. So that is something that you need to do. Now another thing that you can do is to look in a folder. Sometimes it is very deep within a folder. So for example, this one right here in photography, if I open that up, you can see in here there is the camera app, which I can then now move out of the folder. Okay, so try to look in the folder to see if you can find the camera app. It is placed in the folder. Another thing that you can do is to go into settings. So on your home screen, tap on settings, and in settings you want to go down and tap on screen time. In the screen time setting page, tap on content and privacy restrictions, and then tap on allow apps. And then in here, make sure camera is turned on. If it is switched off, it will be blocked and you cannot access the camera app. You can see here if I go to the library app and if I try to look for the camera app, it will not be available. And so you might need to go into settings and switch it on. Okay, once it is in the allow apps list, then you can access camera. Okay, so those are the things that you could try to find the missing camera on the iPhone 13 series running iOS 15. Thank you for watching.